Ardha Uttanasana. Ardha meaning calf, Uttanasana intense stretch, and asana meaning posture. Reach out and up, and then fold down into your forward fold, your Uttanasana. And then take an inhale as we move into this pose, moving into Ardha Uttanasana. From your forward fold, you can bring your fingertips to the ground, hands underneath shoulders, or you could bring your hands to your shins or fingertips to the floor. Take an inhale and lengthen your spine forward. So if you think about cat-cow, you're looking for cow pose, lifting your chest, drawing your shoulders back and down, keeping the back of the neck long and gazing slightly down. You're maintaining that soft bend in the knees so that you're not hanging out in the joints. Engage the core to support the lower back. Press evenly through all four corners of your feet and take a few breaths here.